Welcome to Health and Beauty. Today, we're diving deep, really deep, into what happens to your kidneys when you quit sugar for 30 days. If you think avoiding sugar is only about weight loss, energy, or skin glow, then wait until you hear how your kidneys react when sugar suddenly disappears from your diet. Let's begin. Imagine your kidneys as two highly intelligent filtration engines, each one roughly the size of your fist, quietly filtering nearly 180 liters or 50 gallons of blood every single day. Inside each kidney are nearly 1 million microscopic filters called nephrons. Think of them as tiny sieve-like structures that clean your blood and keep your body balanced. When sugar intake is high, these tiny filters suffer. As soon as sugary foods enter your bloodstream, whether from soft drinks, cakes, biscuits, chocolates, packaged juices, or refined carbs, your blood glucose rises quickly. When this happens repeatedly, your kidneys must work harder to remove the excess sugar. Doctors call this glomerular hyperfiltration, a state where your kidneys start filtering more blood than normal. It may sound like your kidneys are performing better, but it is actually like running a generator at full speed all day long. It works until it burns out. In the first 24 to 72 hours, your brain and body protest. You may feel headaches, irritability, craving for sweet foods, mood swings, low energy. These reactions occur because your brain is used to quick sugar spikes for fast energy. But while your brain complains, your kidneys begin to celebrate quietly. Within just 2 to 3 days, the pressure on your kidney filters reduces. Your body produces fewer inflammatory molecules called AGEs, advanced glycation end products, which speed up kidney aging. This means that in the first few days, your kidneys are already moving toward recovery. By the end of the first week, dramatic internal changes begin. Your kidneys start expelling excess fluids because without sugar spikes, your body no longer holds onto sodium and water unnecessarily. This means you may notice reduced bloating, lighter body weight, clearer urine, improved hydration, less puffiness around eyes. Internally, the kidneys are now filtering blood more efficiently, with reduced stress and reduced inflammation. Few people know this. When insulin levels rise due to sugar, your kidneys are signaled to retain sodium and water. This causes high blood pressure, swelling in feet or hands, strain on kidney blood vessels, tiredness, dizziness. Remove sugar for 30 days, and this retention reverses. In most people, blood pressure naturally starts to decrease because the kidneys are allowed to release the extra fluid.
Many blame dehydration or salty foods for kidney stones, but sugar is an equally powerful hidden culprit. When you consume sugar, your body increases calcium excretion in urine. This excessive calcium combines with oxalates, forming sharp crystals, which then grow into kidney stones. Once a person gets one stone, the chance of getting another increases dramatically. But here's the good news. Within 2 to 4 weeks of quitting sugar, urine chemistry begins shifting toward a healthier balance, making stone formation less likely. It's a small lifestyle change with massive pain-saving potential.
Your kidneys cannot fully regenerate like your skin or liver, but they can repair parts of their structure when sugar leaves your diet. Inflammation decreases, and the nephrons, those tiny microscopic filters, begin strengthening again. You may not feel the repair happening, but inside your body, the kidneys are patching microscopic damage and restoring healthier filtration pathways. This is when many people notice clearer skin, fewer headaches, more stable energy, less water retention, better sleep, improved digestion. All these benefits are tied to better kidney function.
It's no secret. Excess sugar is a major contributor to insulin resistance, and insulin resistance is a direct doorway to type 2 diabetes. And diabetes is the leading cause of kidney failure worldwide. When blood sugar remains high for long periods, the delicate kidney vessels thicken and stiffen, eventually reducing blood flow and filtration capacity. But quitting sugar for 30 days can improve insulin sensitivity. That means your body needs less insulin to manage your glucose. This takes pressure off both your pancreas and your kidneys. Less insulin, less inflammation, less kidney damage.
By week 4, the full 30 days, your kidneys reach what experts call a steady, low-stress state. Here's what may happen. Blood pressure improves, protein leakage in urine decreases, a sign of healing, inflammation markers like CRP drop, kidney filtration stabilizes, urine becomes clearer and less concentrated, energy levels become steady throughout the day. These changes signal that your kidneys are working in a calmer, more efficient rhythm. It is the opposite of the sugar-driven chaos they endured. 30 days is not the final destination. It is the starting line. If you continue consuming low or minimal sugar after these 30 days, you strengthen your kidneys for life. Long-term low sugar intake helps reduce risk of chronic kidney disease, high blood pressure, kidney stones, insulin resistance, diabetes, long-term inflammation, and early aging of kidney tissues. Every single day without excess sugar adds back months, even years of kidney strength.
So, what really happens to your kidneys when you quit sugar for 30 days? They rest, they repair, they revive, and they reward you with improved health from inside out. You may start this journey for your weight, your skin, your energy, but your kidneys gain the biggest gift. A month without sugar may save your kidneys from years of quiet suffering.
This is health and beauty. If you found this information helpful, support our mission by liking this video, subscribing to the channel, and sharing it with someone who needs this knowledge. Your kidneys work for you every second of your life. Let's give them the care they deserve.